Hey there! Welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelene. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idiom off the bat. Alright, so right off the bat, we need to know what the deal is with everyone. Let me just say this off the bat. I am not comfortable with how things are being handled right now. I walked into the room and straight off the bat, they made it known that they were not happy. Off the bat, what does it mean? Well, first, let's talk about different variations of this expression. You can hear someone say off the bat, right off the bat, or straight off the bat. And it basically just means immediately, instantly. So straight off the bat, I'm going to tell you, I don't like you. So at the point where you and I are together, before words are exchanged or actions are done, I'm just going to tell you that I don't like you. It means immediately. Now, this is an expression that you might primarily hear in the Northeast. You can also hear it in the South or on the West Coast, but definitely up north, off the bat, in places like New York, New Jersey, this expression is used. Someone might say, right off the bat, I knew that he and I were not going to get along. It just means from the minute I saw him, I just knew we were not going to like each other. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you